From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming April 24th Forex session. In front of you is the Euro US dollar pair, and as you can see, the pair had a little bit of a fight on its hand on Wednesday as we tried to break higher, but gave back almost all of the gains in order to form a shooting star, which of course is a traditionally bearish sign. I see a lot of conflicting signals in this chart though, and because of the shape of this candle and the fact that some of you out there may have been excited to start shorting, I thought I'd do a video on this pair for this particular session. Yes, it can fall, and I can even make a bearish case here. So for example, I have the RSI drawn up, but you see we have divergence in the fact that we are really starting to lose a lot of momentum. It's not true divergence, but it does show that the market is stalling. Biggest problem we have though really is the fact that underneath this area we have the 138 region, and I use the word region specifically because 138 itself isn't support, it's the area around it. So you'll see a lot of choppiness. If we break down below 138, I'm the first to admit that we probably will find 1.37, but quite frankly, there's so much noise between here and there, there's really no point in risking your trading capital. If we find ourselves going higher, and I do believe that this is the easier trade to take, even though it's difficult to imagine that based upon the candlestick formations, there is, and I've drawn it in roughly, a downtrend line from the beginning of the financial crisis on the monthly chart that intersects somewhere right around the 139-ish area. That being the case, if we could clear that by a good handle at roughly 140, I feel that this market will become a longer term buy and hold. Back like the 6-7 years ago markets that we had, where you just simply bought the euro every time it fell. Easier trade to take, harder route to get to. In the meantime though, I personally am staying out of this market until we clear 140, or maybe if we break down below 137, we might get some clearance here. But right now, this is just a headache waiting to happen. If you wish to trade the euro, probably going to be easier to trade it against the yen, or maybe the Norwegian krona, or perhaps even the ruble.